Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I hope you're having an amazing 4th of July weekend actually. Jump into the charts for Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. I was talking at an event today, it was epic. I hope you were there. If you weren't, watch it, the live. My team recorded a video live while I was speaking on stage. It was epic. Let's jump into the technicals. Don't forget, every video comment, 5 comments every month are chosen for $200 to win. And I'm trading everything. I'm using Bybit to trade. Make sure you take the cryptocurrency so you learn what I'm doing and how all of this works. And join us in our free Telegram. There's almost 2,000 people now in the Telegram. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to for Bitcoin. This was my warning that I talked about at the event. At the moment, we're forming a giant bear flag, which is not very nice for Bitcoin. This is the pole. We've got this distance here, which is the movement. This is the flag. And if this breaks to the downside, the target would actually be 12,000. So right now, Bitcoin isn't looking too good. The good news is volume has been dropping while Bitcoin has been dropping. This is nice. Why that's good? Volume is how much buying and selling there is. And as we've been dropping here, it's been drying up in volume. That means less people are willing to sell Bitcoin at the moment. But again, we are right now on that bear flag. Stochastic very oversold, RSI very oversold. Also, here you can see that we're within the flag of the formation, which is moving between 21,600 and 18,500. It could bounce through here. We could get a rebound towards the 22,000. But right now we have to get a movement off this kind of floor. You can see that we're up on this trend line and we're kind of creating a floor here. If we break through this will not be good. That means we go down towards that $12,000 target. So it's very important, 11,400. Also in the closest, the RSI is heading up. Squeeze mob is heading towards the red side, further drop indicated. Stochastic is heading up. So on the 4 hourly, we're actually looking quite bullish. EMA ribbons, not bullish, but looking better. EMA ribbons, we're still heading very strongly down. VPVR, there's a lot of support, buying and selling where we are right now. So this is a big area of support and resistance. Crypto Guru Bot is still showing a red sell. You get it in the master course. Heat map is showing the triple EMA is heading down. Triple MA forecast, moving average. Also in the closer time frame on the hourly, the RSI is midway, just building pressure. Stochastic is turning towards the green. Stochastic is heading up, so looking bullish there. The volume is like almost non-existent this weekend, 4th of July, everyone's on holiday. We also have this kind of this asymmetrical triangle that I talked about in yesterday's video, and that played out like I thought towards the downside, but it came to this support and bounced. That's not a good sign. We could actually be breaking through towards this 18,100. If that takes place, then we're underneath this big formation, this bear flag that will take us to 12k. So at the moment, it's not amazing for Bitcoin. We really need to get a strong bounce here to be anywhere remaining bullish. On the 15 minutes, RSI is also heading up with sideways movements, which is a bearish divergence. We're actually having not a good sign. On the 15 minutes, we do have an inverse W kind of formation, which is okay. So we could get a pump towards the daily, 19,200. But my opinion, it would be more likely that Bitcoin is going short. I'm not going to open a trade here, but I would be targeting more the short for this breakdown. I would be opening a short here, putting the stop loss above the daily and the take profit. You could do a massive short on Bitcoin towards that $13,800 support, which is a 15 ratio trade, risking $342 to make $5,000. Amazing risk to reward ratio of the trade. That's unleveraged. If you use 10x leverage, a $51,000 profit trade. If you want to trade, make sure you're using the link underneath this video in the description. If you sign up to BuyBit and start trading, you get a $4,800 bonus. That's where you can buy Bitcoin, altcoins, etc. That's where you can trade leverage. And I usually trade on BuyBit because it's fastest exchange. It's never been hacked. It's safe. And you can take the crypto masterclass to learn everything that I'm showing you here. We also have a Telegram live alerts group where I share a lot of trades in here. And the Telegram is growing so quick. We now have, in this Telegram group, we now have 1,876 subscribers after 1 week. So really a lot of people in this alerts group. The link is in the description under this video. And once you sign up to Bybit, this one, and you start trading, this is where it opens. You get this trading account. In here, I have 166,000. I sold my spot earlier today. If you followed my live trades, I'm all USDT. I've got 166,000 USDT. I've got a long open on Bitcoin at 17,500 for a 6 Bitcoin long, which is around $120,000 trade, opening at 17,500. My target is, if we get this quick spike down, for then it to open a trade and have a big bounce. But I would only take that bounce in the short term, because in the long term, I think we're dropping. But again, the time to be selling Bitcoin was up here when I told you back on November 11th. That was the top. This is the big yearly resistance here at the 45,000. The time to be buying Bitcoin is down at these red lines down here. Now, how far Bitcoin goes, I don't know, but I know that it could bounce on one of these three lines, either 19,000, 14,000, or 11,400. And that's where I'm going to be buying a lot of Bitcoin as we are coming down to these areas. If Bitcoin holds here, that could stay at the bottom. If we get some bounces, then I'll go more into Bitcoin for a bounce. But those are my targets right now. Let's look at Ethereum now. I'm going to quickly do analysis on Ethereum. If you request any altcoins, let me know in the description, in the comment section, and I'll request some altcoins. Earlier today, if you followed my video from yesterday, I had an order for Ethereum that bought the trade and hit my take profit. So congratulations, everyone. And then I closed it opened the trade when Bitcoin wicked down. We had this big wick down earlier today on Ethereum. The trade opened. If you followed, this was the trade that I had set up on Ethereum yesterday. The trade opened and then bounced massively back into profits. The trade profited $300 and I closed it in the profits. And then we had that big pullback, so that was a smart because it erased the gain, which is showing weakness. But this symmetrical triangle for Ethereum is coming to a head. It's building pressure. I was thinking that it's going to go to the upside, but I actually would be more inclined to think that it's going to go to the downside, targeting $943 for Ethereum. On the hourly, we're heading midway. 4 hourly, we're heading up. Stochastic is heading towards the green, and stochastic is also heading up. Interesting, they're all showing that they're heading up on the 4 hourly. On the hourly, we're quite overbought, heading oversold, heading down. Hard way, it's a bit difficult to decide here. 15 minutes heading down. I would choose the downward movement on Ethereum just because the volume is drying up. There's no one buying here, so I think we could actually be dropping possibly to that target of 9,400. So it actually opened a short now on Ethereum. That was the trade from yesterday, which I closed in the profits. I would actually go short on Ethereum from here. I would put the short opening where we are right. I would put opening here. I'd put the stop loss above the daily, and I put the take profit down here. So this is going to be a nice ratio trade. I'm going to open this trade on Bybit. So I'd open this trade. So I'll target. It's a 9 ratio trade, 9.4. Every $1,000 I risk, I make $9,400 of profits, which is an epic trade. It's 100% with 10x leverage. So I'd open the trade going short, 10,055. Stop loss at 10,068. Take profit at 943. I'm going to open this Ethereum trade, and I'm going to show it in the Telegram group. So I'm going to show this trade in the Telegram group right now, and I'm going to then open this trade. So I'm going to go short on Ethereum. I'm going to open a $500 short with 20x leverage, so that'll be a $10,000 trade. Order price is going to open right now, 1,055. Take profit is going to be at where is it? Take profit. Take profit will be 943. Stop loss, so it will be 1,000. Oh, take profit. Wait, no, I'm going short. Short take profit will be 943. So profit of $1,000, and stop loss will be. So you can see the trade, how it works is, I'm going to show you. The bottom is the target where it takes profit, 943, because I'm shorting, saying that Ethereum is going to go down. The stop loss, which will automatically close my trade, is at 1,068, which will automatically close the trade if it goes there. So the stop loss, 1,068. So I'm risking $123 to make $1,061, epic trade, and I'm going to open this short on Ethereum. I'm opening it now. Confirm that trade is now set, and it will execute very shortly. When Ethereum hits 1,055, that short will open. I risked $164 to make $1,000, which is epic. I'm going to share that in my Telegram group. Again, all of those trades you can see in the description of this video. Down below, you can sign up to Bybit, and you can trade exactly as I showed you. That's how it works. Also today, I spoke at the event. I was one of the hosts. It was an epic event. The last few days, this was me on stage. Just a very cool event. Congratulations to Nisha. I have never and I will never miss a day to comment on your videos. I will continue bringing people to the channel. Congratulations, Nisha. You won $200. Dad, that's pretty weak hand. You have their boyfriend. Yeah, I do usually panic sell at a loss. Literally enjoying learning a lot from you. You are ever the best, and I hope I'll trade one day like you. Thank you, Moments. Thanks for the video, James. For me, you were a legend because you helped a lot. Love your content. Thank you. And that Adam and Eve pattern played out that I was talking about, but not as bad as we thought. So thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my thoughts on the market. I'm currently... Oh, I'll show you the event, actually. So this was today. My team went live while I was at the event. And then I started doing my friend, who's very similar to John in the audience, came up with WhatsApp, which all the data. Why that's very powerful. I was giving a keynote on Magicraft and the play to earn Web3 space. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.